Hello friends, and welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making a soap that is an essential oil blend. It is called Seascape, and I got this blend from eokelk.net. So we're going to start out the same way we always do. We have made a little alterations to a recipe today. So in our bucket here we have our base recipe of olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and shea butter. I have coconut milk in here and sodium lactate. So that is all blended together nicely, and now we're going to add in our lye water. And this is the coconut milk that I used. It's from Walmart. It was less than $2. I used the whole can, and then I replaced some of the water from my lye solution with that coconut milk. And this is going to come to the tippy top of this bucket, hopefully not over the top. Oh, it's so close. So we are doing another beach themed soap. So our bottom layer will be the sand. And here I have a blend of brown oxide, honey blush, and King Tut Gold. So last night I mixed together some kaolin clay and my essential oils, and the kaolin clay I've mixed it a few times, but it's sitting at the bottom. You do have to mix it quite regularly. And I have some chai seeds that we are going to add to make it look more like sand. Alright, I'm going to scrape out this bucket and then we'll start pouring off our top layers. So in our big bucket, I put a little bit of white gold mica in here for colorant. And we will add in, we're going to have to mix up and add in our essential oil blend again. It's starting to separate already. So for our other two colors, I have some different blends of blues. That one was Caribbean blue and blueberry slushy, and this one is Blue Tide. Okay, so now we're going to let this set up for just a minute, and then we'll do an in the pot swirl and get this poured in the mold. This was just the first little tool I found. I do some little waves. You could definitely get this effect with a fork, or excuse me, a spoon. This was just right on top. You can use just about anything to texture soap. So we will put a touch of some holographic glitter on top. And call it a day. So she is complete. Let's bring you in for a closer view. So here is the Seascape Essential Oil Blend Soap. All looking pretty and shiny in its mold. And I'll bring you back right now to see the cut.